Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 151 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions. Him and Jacinta answer the questions, and we read all the questions and answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, is there adult-only cruises now? Can I not bring plastic grocery bags out of Long Beach? I'm a platinum guest, but I'm diabetic. What can I get for my gift? Are there free loungers in Grand Turk? And I want to order anniversary cake, but can I do that to the MDR?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked if Carnival is considering adult-only cruises. They like the family environment, but occasionally it'd be nice to pick a cruise where the adult entertainment is not after bedtime, hot tubs are not filled with diapers, and the dinner entertainment is the actual crew, not the kids running around the dining room. John said, no, they're not. These select adult-only cruises you see will be utilized by the casino, which is why they can't offer anything with children on there. They remain a proud, family-oriented cruise line, but the Conquest and the Magic dry docks were both canceled, the original ones, so they put out casino offers to a lot of the casino players like us, which makes it a air quotes adult only cruise. So if you're not, I believe, 18 to 21 or over, you cannot go on this cruise. But we were thinking, well, if it's a casino cruise and you have nothing but casino invitees and players, it's not a big casino. How impossible is it going to be to play in the casino? But they said they are actually converting one of the dining rooms to a temporary casino for these sailings. So voila, if you were concerned about it like we were, they're going to add a lot more slot machines and basically a whole new casino temporarily in the dining room. So there you go. No adult-only cruises, but there will be some that are going to be casino-based. Question two. This cruiser heard on a Facebook group that if you're sailing out of Long Beach, they don't allow grocery bags to carry items onto the ship. I'm guessing since it's California, you're talking about plastic bags, which are pretty much banned everywhere in California. John said he's actually never heard of this, and if that was the case, they would have sent out notifications to all the guests sailing on the cruises that you can't bring the plastic grocery bags on there. And then he also said, good grief, really? It's a bag, but California is very eco-friendly, so if you like bringing a plastic grocery bag onto the cruise line, you may or may not be able to in California. John said you could. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question three. This cruiser said that as platinum guest, one of the perks is the chocolate strawberries and the macaroons, with the chocolate delight it's called now. But they are diabetic and they can't eat either of those, and they wanted to know if there was something else they can get, like maybe a cheese plate, fruit, sandwich tray, something like that. John said if you call 8,000, which is the room number for room service, and let them know you're diabetic and you don't eat sugar, they will absolutely send you a cheese plate. And we've gotten the cheese plate. It's good. It's really good. I mean, the chocolate strawberries are cute. They got the little bow ties on them a lot of times, little decorations, but the cheese plate, oh my God, was amazing. So if you're diabetic and you can't eat the chocolate and that kind of stuff, you can absolutely get a cheese plate. Just call room service. Ta-da! Question four. This cruiser is going to Grand Turk on their cruise, and they're seeing conflicting information. They wanted to know if Carnival offered free loungers at the beach, and if so, what color? I think they're all the same color. John said You can come to the pier right to the right and you'll see a whole big sign which will direct you to where the free loungers are. He can't frankly remember what the color of them is, but they do have a ton of free loungers, and they do. So as you're walking down the pier, to the left, you'll see this whole little beach, and there'll be a little cutoff sign. And it literally says, you're exiting the cruise port, and do it at your own risk. Everything in front of that is free. So yeah, there's absolutely free loungers there. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know if they ordered an anniversary cake for their anniversary on the cruise, long day, can it be delivered to the MDR instead of being delivered to their room? John said you can absolutely do this through the cherry on top. He suggests going on the embarkation evening so it is all set and ready for when you need it. So if you don't want it delivered to the room, which we normally get it delivered to the room because we don't really do the MDR, you can absolutely get it switched and have it delivered to the MDR, which is really cool. So there you go. That's been episode 151 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.